Hi, and welcome to this flip through of this huge, monstrously large, shabby chic junk journal. Start at the beginning, I guess, start the front cover. Well, we'll start at the spine with these gorgeous, I love them, dingly dangles. They've got charms on them, they've got beads on them. They're just beautiful, and they're all tied off at the top with sari silks and ribbons, and they just look so shabby. They're beautiful. The journal itself is tied with some sari silk into a little bow, just to try and keep it a little bit closed. You see, as soon as I take it off, it springs into ridiculously large mode. So that's the tie. So the front cover, let's have a look. It's got lace down the side, ribbon with pearls, some little lace and some additional lace here. It's got this lovely little chipboard tag that just says Imagine. And I just thought that was quite appropriate for a journal, because you imagine what you're going to put in it, whatever you like. It's got a lovely little lace bow here and one pocket with a little note card in it that you can say whose journal it is, what date you started it on, when you finished, what date you finished it on, so you can keep it and you'll know when you were using it. So into the journal itself, this is just a little journaling card with some dingle dangles on, some hessian and lace, all onto this lovely backing paper. And here we have a little fold out with journaling space in. I've tried to give as much journaling space as I can whilst still keeping it really, really interesting. So this is just held together with a little bow of lace ribbon. Let's see if I can get that central and look better. So there we are, that's that. And this is a pocket with lace, and this is silk down the side, and it's just got some little journaling cards in for you to make notes on, and just a little butterfly with some lace around it. This one is a tag that folds up with journaling space on, and then the bottom part is a pocket, and it's got some little cards in that you can journal onto. They're actually little booklets, so you can journal on the inside. That's pretty. And you get the reverse of that silk, which is really nice. It's got a little lace tag on it, some lovely backing paper and some flowers, this nice little chipboard butterfly there, and a little dingly dangly there, so you can lift that up. This page has got a big booklet in it. It's got these pearls and lace down here, and this little piece stuck on. This has got lace along it, some more silk, and a little lace tag at the top. And it's got these really interesting, keep this book clean, do not turn down the leaves, which I suspect actually originally came from a library. Borrowers lending this book pencil marked. Oh dear me, I'll leave the rest of that for you to read. But it's quite a sizable journaling space in there, and this paper is so pretty with the brown paper as well. This is a watercolour that I did myself, foxgloves, and this is just a little part page, and it's got a little pocket here, lace, ric-rac, a little bit of journaling space in there. On the other side it's been stamped, and it's got this little booklet in it that you can journal in, and it just slides in the top there with a little dingle dangle there, so you can get it out easily. This is there's lots of lace on this page. It looks really pretty, and it's just got a little safety paper clip there holding this, which is a flip out. And there's lots of pockets in here little pocket in there with a little journaling card. That I'll leave, it's a surprise for you to find. This here's got pocket, little journaling space. This is a pocket with journaling space, and it all folds up together and just clips together with this little dingle dangle on it, just for added prettiness in case you didn't have enough. So that just goes there. On the back of there we've got this side pocket, lace and pearls, and this, just another little booklet. Plenty of space for journaling here, plenty. I'll pop it in that way because I think it looks nice with the ribbon down there. This is, you can undo this page and you can journal on that. This is just a sheet of paper that's had an image decoupaged on there, but inside is all for journaling, so plenty space there. That just tucks into there. This little snippet glued on there, and lace and pearls down here, journaling space, and on here too, and on the back of that. This is a very pretty little image on there. You could journal around it, which would be quite nice. And on here, this is a little bottom pocket with a little note card in it with lined journaling paper. So you're not going to run out of journaling space, for sure you're not. That just fits into there. In here, bit of old newspaper and a journaling card in there. Journaling, and this is a little snippet paper clip, and this is a journaling sheet in here. So you can journal on that, and you can journal on there, and it just tucks up into there. I think I've put that onto 2 pages actually. There we are. So there's more journaling. I mean, it's pretty pink and pretty blue, so it's not just plain paper. This is a little, let me take it out. It's held on by these 2 snippet paper clips, and it actually comes off, but before it comes off it looks like that on the back. So on the front it's got pearls, a pocket, lace, lovely little journaling book, as you can see, and that slides into there, into the front pocket, with a paper clip with dingle dangles on it, so it's really nice. And there's just ephemera and tags in there with bits of ribbon on the top, so you can pull them out quite easily. And on the back it's a pocket, pearls, and it's got 2 little tags in there as well, with pretty little bows on the top, so as you don't miss them, so as you know that they're there. And that folds over that page like that, and then these lovely little snippet paper clips go over the top and hold it in place, but you can take it out to use it, which is quite nice. So that's the back of that. This is a part page, and it's got this lovely image of a hare on there, pink ribbon, lace, little tag in there. Turn it over, and it's fairly plain, which I like. It's lovely sparkly paper, this, and it's got this nice little journaling book in, with ribbon and dingle dangles down there. All of these have been hand sewn, so they all look in keeping with the book, and that just slides in the top. Like that, and just to remind you it's there, it's got these dingly dangles, so you know something's there. This page is really, really pretty. It's 3 envelopes tucked in, and each one has got a little tuck there with a little tag in it, and if you open each one up, they've got little journaling cards in them. So each one's got a journaling card. It tucks into the one below, and it's got a little tag in it, and this bottom one's just held by this piece of lace. But the same thing, it opens up and it's got a little journaling card. So that's a very pretty page, I think. This is a side pocket with a couple of journaling tags in. Just a little snippet there on the bottom. This is another one of those journaling pages that folds out, so you've got lots of journaling here and lots of journaling here. This is just so pretty. You need to see it to appreciate how well it's shown up quite nicely, actually. It's just a little plaque with some roses on it and these very shiny pretend diamonds around the outside and some snippets there. So journaling. This is a bottom pocket with lace, ribbon, butterfly sewn onto it, and a nice journaling tag with coffee stained paper on the back and some nice ribbon at the top. And I've just printed the word butterfly down there. Now this is the centre. This book comprises 2 signatures. This is the end of the first signature. This is the beginning of the second. So this piece actually goes in the centre of the book itself. It's held on with 2 of these snippet paper clips, and it comes out completely, so you can use it as a separate thing. You can pop it in your handbag, whatever. It's got a pocket on the front, and it's got 2 journaling cards. It's got 2 little booklets, rickrack on the front, and the inside cover, back and front, is covered with very pretty paper, and both the same. These have got ribbons and little stones on them. And then on the back, there's a pocket for you to put in photographs, bus tickets, memories, something that will remind you of the day that you took this out in your handbag and used it for journaling. Could be a wedding, a christening, anything at all that means something to you, and you can just unclip it from the book really easily and take it with you and add whatever you want to add. Plain journaling on the back. This is another one of these really pretty journaling sheets. This one's my favourite, I think. I really like this one. And it's just got text in the background, decoupaged over the top, inked around the edge with this lovely rose pink colour, and the back is clear for you to journal in. And they just slide it in easily into your in and out of your journal for you to journal on. Easily, says she. Yes, that's it, easily. So that's that. Journaling. I've left this because I thought photographs would look really nice on there. They'd show up quite nicely. So I've left that intentionally blank so as you can put in, stick in whatever it is you want to stick in, personalise it, make it yours, and back the same. And then this is a little, it's got sari silk to hold it in, and it just folds out, and it's got pockets down here with little journaling cards. This one's just gorgeous. Tell me truly, when we are far apart, do you keep a place for me in the corner of your heart? I love that. It's nice. Another journaling card there. There's a little journaling card in there too. And then this little booklet in here for you to journal in. And then it all ties together with the sari silk. So you see, I haven't skimped on embellishments. There we are, that's that one. This is just a little bit of decoupage, but there's plenty journaling there. Another one of these journaling pages that comes out with a lovely little snippet paper clip there. And journaling. Lovely image. My favourite of the book, I think, this one. And this one's got lace and ribbon down the side. It's blue, it's been painted blue, and it's really pretty. Then this page with another journaling page on it, which has been stamped behind it with text. Little snippets in the corner. This one comes out too, with a little snippet paper clips again, which looks so pretty, and it folds over the top with this little row of lace and pearls on there. And inside this one, this front pocket, it's got a little envelope, and inside it is journaling paper. And that just pops into there, folds over the top. I like it so much because it folds over the top. And then these lovely little pretty paper clips, which hold it in place and look pretty. Double duty, can't beat it. So that's that. And then this page, which is just, it's a pretty page. It really is pretty. But you have got on the back there space for journaling. Journaling, although this is really pretty as well. And then just some snippets, nice picture. And another picture here in some old paper with some stamps on it, but plenty room for journaling. And this page here with the corner pocket, stamp on it, lace, ribbon, journaling paper. And then this page here, it's a journaling page with just a little bit of old paper on it. And then we've got this flip over at the top, which has got some ruched lace down the side, little journaling card there with a little bit of organza here, and it just folds out over the top like that, comes down onto this page. This gives you another pull down journaling card into that pocket there, and then we've just got some lace and some whatever sparklies, bling. And this is just a little belly band, and it's just got a little journaling card that's got a corner with a little journaling card. So I think you will agree you're not short of space for journaling. There's plenty. I imagine it'll take you quite a while to fill it up, which is great. That's what you want. It's just got a bit of fabric on it and some seriously blingy bling. And the back page, just got some lace on and some lovely images. So there we are, that's the journal. It's huge, it's really interesting, it's got some lovely elements in it, not least these gorgeous beads. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you soon when I'm making some more embellishments for my next journal. So that's the walkthrough of my junk journal. It's incredibly shabby and I really love it. And if you love it too and you'd like to buy it or commission me to do one on a specific topic for you, then pop over to my Etsy shop, search for Miss Paint a Lot, and I'll pop up, and so will this. And it's available to buy right at the moment. I don't know how long it's going to last, but when it's sold, I'll pop sold so you know that it's no longer available. But I am happy to do commissions. So okay, bye.